In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Hubspot using what is arguably the best method. It's a straightforward process and I'm here to guide you step by step through the seamless setup of your new blog. So let's dive right in and get started. First up, open your web browser and head over to the Hubspot homepage. You'll find that Hubspot is a comprehensive platform designed for businesses looking to expand their digital presence. Once there, you'll notice a login button at the top corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this to begin the process. Logging into your account is the essential first step, allowing you access to all the powerful features HubSpot offers. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home screen. It's here that all the magic happens. What you'll want to do next is find and click on the Content tab. This section serves as the hub for creating, managing, and organizing your content, including blog posts. Clicking here will take you to a new page displaying various content options available to you. As you explore the different sections related to your brand's digital content, you are going to specifically look for the blog option. Find it and give it a click. This will lead you to the dedicated blog section of HubSpot. The blog area is designed to give you all the tools you need to create and maintain engaging blog content that will captivate your audience. Next, you'll see an option labeled Create. Click on it. This is where you start the actual creation process of your new blog post. Clicking on Create presents you with several options, but for today we are focusing solely on the blog. You'll then click Create Blog Post. This feature opens up a variety of templates and customization options tailored to your specific needs. The blog creation tool in HubSpot is user-friendly, with a number of features designed to help optimize your content for search engines and enhance readability. Take your time to explore these features and think about what would resonate most with your audience. As you work through these steps, HubSpot's intuitive interface helps ensure that you are optimizing your content strategy every step of the way. Remember to save your progress as you go along and take advantage of the analytic tools available to track the performance of your blog posts after publication. Congratulations, you have now successfully learned the process of creating a blog on HubSpot. By following these steps, you can leverage HubSpot's platform to share your insights, engage with your audience, and elevate your online presence. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy blogging!